I'm Dr. Heath. I'm one of the practicing physician owners here at Governor's Med Spa and Concierge Medicine. So I grew up in a really small town in North Florida on a hay farm in High Springs. So growing up in Florida, grew up in a small town just north of Gainesville, Florida, ended up going to University of Florida, getting my bachelor's and master's degree from University of Florida. After that, going to medical school at American University of the Caribbean, and then to residency at University of Tennessee, Knoxville. It sounds cliche, but family medicine and medicine in general went into it to help people, not necessarily thinking that I was going to cure cancer or anything, but to help people navigate through their life, their health, and hopefully make them a happier, healthier person. We started this concierge medicine practice, this model per se, in hopes to practice medicine in a more traditional manner, the way that it was actually intended to be be there for the patient, to help them navigate through their health and their life, not to be dictated by a larger corporation that dictates the time that you spend with your patients. We don't want to be the doctors that are limited on the time that we spend with our patients. And our patients and everybody needs that time to be able to kind of truly tell you and understand, and for us to understand where they're coming from a health, a family, a lifestyle situation. Our patients have become definitely a part of our family. We feel that every single one of our patients has our cell phone number. They are able to call us. They trust us, to tell them what we actually think rather than actually doling out a medication to them and just kind of putting a Band-Aid on a situation. We see our patients at the baseball field, we see them at the football field, we see them at the grocery store, the restaurants. They truly have become a part of our family, and we've become a part of theirs. So prior to getting into family medicine, I actually was a surgery resident. So I'm a very procedure-oriented person. I love, I obviously love operating, but I'm not operating. So we do some non-invasive procedures that help out men and women, focus a lot on sports medicine, joint injections. We do PRP as well as stem cell injections into joints to help with the regenerative component of any kind of arthritis or injuries that have occurred from a sports injury or just natural aging process. Other things that I like to do that is somewhat surgical, it's a minimally invasive surgical procedure, and that's vasectomies. I perform vasectomies here in the office. It's like I said, minimally invasive procedure that takes about approximately 30 minutes. It's very easy to do, and it is, like I said, minimally invasive for the man and doesn't cause a woman to undergo any other further procedures to prevent any further pregnancies. I have 3 older brothers. We're all very athletic, so fitness has always become a part of my family and a part of my life. However, I also in my past have suffered with anxiety, and I found that fitness, exercise, yoga, those things help keep that at bay without needing medication. And that's one thing that I always bring to my patients to help them know that, medication is not always the answer. Sometimes there are some lifestyle modifications that you can do to help with your anxiety, depression, or anything else that's going on in your life. So other than fitness, one thing that I love to do, and most of my patients know this, a lot of friends obviously know this, and it's karaoke. Anywhere there's karaoke, I'm up there, I'm singing. Love country music, karaoke is my passion.